Extrinsic motivation, the engaged classroom. Flavors of disengagement. So the element that I wanted to summarize was fake time. Students pretend they are focused, attentive, and engaged, aware that their teachers are looking for these attributes. So the students know the teachers like to see them paying attention, so they fake it. And this is a problem because they're not actually absorbing the information and they're doing other things, and their attention is really divided. The element that I wanted to summarize for engaged time was share your personal presence. Students emulate the energy around them, therefore when the teacher is energized and passionate, this energy is more likely to carry on to the students in the classroom. Teachers who are authentic, show emotion and vulnerability, connect more with their students, and in turn an engaged classroom environment is created. So my personal example is from engaged time, which is again sharing your personal presence. Sharing your personal presence as a teacher is imperative to making learning fun and engaging. In high school, I had an English teacher who was quite passionate about literature, and needless to say, her enthusiasm affected all of us in that classroom. We loved to hear her opinions on novels, and in fact, she made reading seem like the most exciting engagement we could partake in. She was energetic, goofy, and personable. A lot of the students in my class did exceptionally well in essay writing and even tests, because we were actually absorbing the content flawlessly. I can only dream to be as enthusiastic a teacher as she was, but this is what I strive for my classroom.